Let's talk about the verb do. Do is a very useful verb. It's also different. It's irregular. I do. You do. We do. They do. He, she, it does. We've already seen that we use do not and does not to make negative sentences. However, we usually make it shorter. And when we make it shorter, we use an apostrophe. Don't and doesn't. I like sushi. I don't like sushi. Ugh, yuck. He wants a dog. She doesn't want a dog. She wants a cat. We often use the verb do with a noun. Do you remember what a noun is? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. We use do with a noun when we complete activities or tasks. This is Heidi and James. Heidi and James are married. They live together. Heidi cooks, or Heidi does the cooking. James doesn't do the cooking. Now remember, we use don't and doesn't to make negative sentences. Don't and doesn't are followed by base verbs. A base verb is the simplest form of the verb. It's the verb you find in a dictionary. James doesn't do the cooking. James does the dishes. Heidi doesn't do the dishes. Heidi does the laundry. James doesn't do the laundry. James mows the lawn. Or James does the mowing. I do yoga. She does karate. They're doing push-ups. She's doing sit-ups. He's doing his schoolwork. Or he's doing his homework. He's a good student. The verb do is also used in questions. And that's what we're going to talk about in the next video.